They both get in this box. That's too small. Girls. Grace. Maeve. Hey. Hey. Hey, Gracie. Hi. Hi. Are you dancing? Are you dancing in there, Maeve? Yeah? Oh, she's dancing! Oh! Dancing and singing. Wow! Hey, Gracie. Where's Sissy? Can you give Sissy a hug? Oh. Oh no. This is so sad that I can't make this so funny. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, what happened? Look at me. Grace. You two are silly. Gracie? Hey, Grace. Why ignoring me? Maeve. What happened? Grace. Hey, little girl. So why use a credit score service that only shows you one score and leaves you guessing about the others? When FreeScore.com lets you check all 3 of your scores from all 3 credit bureaus for free. As often as you want, even when you're on the This looks so unstable. Hi. Maeve. Can you say mama? Mama. Yeah. Grace. Where's your sissy? She's so busy. Sissy doesn't want to look at me. She's mad when I videotape. Are you hugging your sissy? Yeah. Can you say, oh no? Can you say dada? Say dada. Say dada. Can you say mama? Gracie. Whoa. Uh-oh. Be careful. Gracie. You're Maeve. Hey, Grace. Oh, good girl. You got out alive. Oh, no. What happened? Are you so sad? Can you say hi? Can you say hi? That's her Maddie face. She's got a Maddie face on. Uh-oh. Somebody's able to climb up on the couch. You witnessed it here first, ladies and gentlemen. Uh-oh. Whole new ball game. Look at me.